ago, there lived a family of billy goats. Wait, billy goats. You can scamper. Go ahead and scamper up there. That's fine. And they didn't have very much food to eat in the dry desert rocks. So they talked together one day and they decided to build up a plan. Go ahead and talk together, guys. Talk really loud. What's the plan going to be? You got to talk loud so everybody can hear you. Alright, so the plan was they were going to go across the bridge to eat the sweet grass on the other side. Peyton, come on over here and have a seat, sweet girl. Haley's a big billy goat. Right there and watch it. Sit right there. They decided that the little billy goat should cross first. But underneath that bridge lived a scary troll. Do it again, troll. So the little billy goats need to be very, very brave to go across the scary bridge. First, the little billy goat is going to trip-trop across the bridge. Go ahead, trip-trop. Really, really loud, troll. Say, I'm coming up to eat you.
That's funny. Really
A little while later, the middle-sized billy goat decided to try to cross the bridge too. He got very brave.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Say
it really loud, billy goat. It is what? I'm coming.
I'm coming to eat you.
You want to be eaten, middle-sized?
Go.
You're going to have him wait?
Just choose him and
Tell him to wait for your dad.
See?
A short while later, sure enough, the big billy goat trip-tropped across the bridge.
I'm not walking on my bed.
Really loud, billy goat. Push him off into the river below.
Billy goat.